So this building here, this is our Center for Collaborative Education, or CFCE. It is one of our newest buildings on campus, just opened up in 2018. And the focus of this building is student success. So in this building, there are actually no dedicated faculty offices. There are just student services, as well as student space for students, obviously. So located in this building, we have our global classroom, we have our First Peoples Indigenous Center, Diversity, Inclusion, and Transition, our Fast Start office, as well as our Durham College Spa, located up on the second floor, that we'll all be touching on in this video here. With that out of the way, let's get moving. Alrighty, so to kick things off here, this is our global classroom. So the idea for this classroom here is that anywhere throughout the world, if you have the link to the classroom setting, you're able to view what's going on within this room here. So there are a couple different cameras all around the room here, as well as many different screens that you may be able to see. And so this can allow people from all across the world to participate in a global lecture. So we have opportunities for people all around the world to get the Durham College experience. And this has been a great initiative that's been going on for about 5 or so years now. And then can also just be used as a general classroom. So if you had chemistry, for example, they may have you in the global classroom and you'll be learning about chemistry here. All right, so we're located here in the First Peoples Indigenous Center. So the First Peoples Indigenous Center provides services for students who are Indigenous or self-identify as Indigenous. So the services located in here can include smudging ceremonies, as well as increasing awareness in the campus community, as well as in our general community, of Indigenous issues. Durham College is proud to acknowledge that we are on the traditional lands of the Mississauga-Scugog First Island Nation. So located in here, this is the 360 Insights Entrepreneurship Center, also known as the Fast Start office. So if you are interested in business, starting up your own business, or providing support to small businesses or entrepreneurship ventures, this is a great place to come. So in here, you'd find a like-minded group of creators and aspiring business people to help start up your own business and gain the support that you would need. So if you're interested in learning how to do a marketing pitch, making a business plan, or learning about general market practices, this is a great place to come and you have access to as a Durham College student. Another great thing that we do have running through our Fast Start office is generally every year we will have representatives from the TV show Dragon's Den come in, and they're looking for students' pitches for various different businesses, inventions, whatever it may be. So if you have that keen business sense and that fire in you, I highly recommend taking advantage of this amazing space here. Alrighty, so this is the Durham College Spa, specifically our massage therapy clinic. So if you were interested in our 3-year massage therapy program, this would be the primary lab space that you would be working on both clients as well as your peers to learn all the different techniques to become a registered massage therapist. Just in the end of the room, we also have our esthetician and cosmetology labs for the esthetician spa management program as well. So this is a very interesting area if you are interested in either being an esthetician, for example, you want to get into the beauty and makeup industry, or if you want to come here and be within the massage therapy area, you would have great opportunities to hone your practical skills as well.